life, enjoy your career, enjoy with your family, enjoy with yourself. If you Assalamu alaikum, good time to all of you. I hope you are fit well. Alhamdulillah, today I am wonderful. So today I am gonna share with you about important things which is very effective for our career, for our life, which is disappointed, which is nervous, which is frustrated. The reason why in this world, in this Bangladesh, lots of people they face disappointment. And the disappointment is and depression is very negative effective for our life, very negative effect for our career, very negative effect for our family. So we have to know what is the depression, what is the depressed, what is the frustrated. If you know it, you can easily recover it. If you don't know what is the disappointed, what is the frustrated, how can we recover it? So we have to do. Lots of people they face this type of problem. So that's why they can't achieve anything. They can't attention their study. They can't attention their study. One of the best reasons. So we have to figure out what is the disappointment. Actually, disappointment means just our thing. Disappointment means only just our mind. If you think, I am here, and if I think maybe this weather is not well, if I think this weather is very danger, if we shouldn't stay here. So my think is negative. So if you think negative, automatically your subconscious mind will show you your disappointment, you're nervous, you're frustrated, you're upset. So you should avoid it. So first of all, we have to think disappointment is nothing, depression is nothing. All things your mind, all things your brain, all things your think. So first of all, you have to recover it. You have to try to recover it. And if you would like to be a good engineer, you want to be a I would like to say some example. That's I would like to share some example due to easily find out your desire as well as your issue, your problem, right? So I am sharing with you which type of disappointment we face. Like if you want to be a Buetian, Habian, like Dhaka University, your dream is you will be a student at Dhaka University. But and you are preparing for giving exam. After that, you gave exam. But unfortunately, you didn't qualify over there. You didn't qualify over there at Dhaka University. After that, you feel very disappointed. You feel very nervous. You thought maybe I am not capable of anything. You are totally wrong. If you think about it, you are totally wrong. The reason why actually fortune comes from Allah. Fortune comes from our Allah. So we have to think. We don't have nothing to do. We didn't have nothing to do. If Allah thinks if this career is better for you, this university is better for you, so you can easily get chance. But if you think that this career is not, if Allah think this career is not suitable for you, Allah won't give you. Allah never give you. That's why we won't give it. That's why we won't achieve it. But we feel my friend, our friend, they got accepted, they got award, they got chance at good university, but I didn't get. Why? What the reason? So this thing is, I always told you, I would like to say you, we had nothing to do. Allah is a good planner. Always we have plan, always we do plan, but this plan is not perfect. Sometimes this plan is not perfect. The reason why Allah, the good plan comes from Allah. The good plan comes from Allah. So we have to do things. If you feel disappointed, your career is very danger. Your career will be very unsuitable. So first of all, you have to figure out what's my problem. Why am I feel disappointed? Why am I feel frustrated? Why will I feel why will I feel nervous? Why will I feel upset? So if you think that I should avoid it, so you are right, totally right. So if you think that I have to think negative, so you're totally wrong. The reason why maximum people they think it and they won't accept it. So first of all, we have to avoid it and we have to always enjoy this time. Like now you are here, and if you feel disappointed, I am talking with you. And if you feel disappointed, so how will you achieve anything? How will you enjoy this environment? But I am here and I am enjoying this environment. But if you disappoint, if you think something or long days ago, what happened? What happened long day? What happened? This reason you are like thinking. So how will you enjoy this environment? So you should avoid it. Unless you should waste time with your family. You should enjoy over the world. After that you can feel enjoy. So please, I would like to say that enjoy your life, enjoy your career, enjoy with your family, enjoy with yourself. If you enjoy it, so you can achieve anything. So that's all today about the topic. See you soon. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.